Welcome back, guys. Crypto channel. Let's take a look at the Polkadot updates with my customer set. You see on your screen yesterday the 21 shares United States shared the announcement. So T-Dot ETF will be launched today. So it's the post from yesterday on Nasdaq. So I can't say it's something extra bullish, guys. Unfortunately, because all previously announced ETFs. For example, the recent one for HBAR and Litecoin. You can open the day when they announce it, when they launch it, and what happened next with the price. So I don't want to scare you, and I hope the Polkadot, this ETF, and just this news will have the another effects on the price chart because of seasonality. Because now it's March. Of course, we got the geopolitics, the wars now, the world going nuts, right? But I hope everything will be okay, because if not, guys, we can drop once again to 70, 74, even 60 cents again. From now, it's going to be over than 50% down. That's why I hope this news, it's not priced in, because usually when the coin rebounds and we get some positive news like ETF or something, in the next few days or the few weeks, the coin crashes down. That's why I hope now that fact is going to be the positive, for all investors, and the Polkadot not front run this run and crash it down. I would like to show also this kind of weird chart. I just recently saw it. I don't know why, and how, but on OKX, the chart looks like this one. So usually, when we see the listing price here, this is one candle, but we got like 1, 2, 3, 1 month before, and it's kind of strange. What's this candle about? Maybe some glitch on OKX was that time, but it's kind of weird. So take a look now globally and locally. For the dots, we have to break this high around this one and this one. So if we want to talk about a break of structure, let's focus now only on a daily and 4-hour time frame charts, because here we got like impulse. So this is an impulse here, and now we can see some small pullback. Now we hold the line at 0.5, so it's positive, it's good, but the correction can be by end of this week till first one zone here. The second zone is going to be like usual, is here, this one. So I would like to see the Polkadot by end of this weekend and Sunday around $1.30 to try open long position. Of course, if we not hold the line here, the road going to be open under $1 again. So unfortunately, guys. But anyway, without the risk, we can't make him good trade in the money. So the stop loss can be under this low. So it's the second lever is 16% stop loss. If we talk about $1.33 like entry, $1.32 or $1.30, for example, this entry can be better one with a smaller stop loss like 7% and 14 with the second leverage. And the first trouble area is going to be $1.84. So it's 45, so around 90%. And next one is here, break of structure. This one, $2.34. And after that, we're going to open the chart and make updates for the Polkadot. Now all eyes on this local zone. And unfortunately, yes, guys, I think that something will happen on the weekend. And we will see something like this one and crash. And I hope we're going to hold the line. Now, let's take a look with indicator set, just locally with ADZ direction market mood on daily time frame and 4-hour time frame. Daily, it's a positive. It's like a hopium now. It's not a distribution, not accumulation zone, just neutral. 4-hour time frame. After this bounce, and Polkadot perform pretty good one, because this time when every single over than 20% move, it's good for alts. So now no distribution. That's why I wish to see the drop, something like this one, and without the warranty, something like this one, and organically form something like double bottom next week and go higher. So this is what I would like to see. So this is neutral on 4-hour time frame, disbelief on 4-hour time frame, but better wait because on a daily you saw it's a hopium. I highly recommend you just add alerts on these indicators. Write me DM if you would like to trade it. With this set direction, no signals, no bullish, no bearish. All right, so let's take a look. Money power, guys. No money inflow. No money inflow on the 4-hour time frame here. Last one, money inflow was February 26th. Pump, 42%. Because with second leverage, with third one, it's over than 100%. It was a good trade, a good and safe trade. Money outflow, now nothing. No money in, no money out. 12 time frame, the same story. That's why, guys, I'm more than sure we will drop to $1.33 this weekend. So be careful. Trade on, buy, pump, sell. Here was a take profit from the buy, sell. Now wait the take profit indicator from the sell. You can add alerts like we did many times, and I showed you the previous video on the weekly time frame. We finally get a confirmation. So the Polkadot is probably the form at the bottom. So I'll recommend you go and check the previous one video. So this is a sell, no signals to buy. Just be careful and wait. Take profit, guys. For 12 time frame. Once again, guys, if something extra horrible will happen in the world, of course, we go in lower than $1 and drop under $1 again. $1.01, it's a buy line on 12 time frame, on 12 time frame. But I don't think so. We will drop that low. Buy line on a daily, it's $1.17. So honestly, for me personally, it would be better to see something like this one and to take profit line on the daily and the weekly. So I showed you the zone. We're more than okay to try open long position. If you feel okay to open around now, 0.5 LBFIP, it's up to you. It's also possible because we can form, like 3 drives pattern. 1, 2, and the third one break the structure. After that, anyway, we're going down. Guys, I hope you like this video. If you like to trade with my customer care site, we're showing in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget, Joe Matekam channel. See you next time, guys.